Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have EGLD daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. You will get amazing profits, including an automated system with 200 altcoins. That's right, you will be able to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, live trading, scalping, trading strategy, many other benefits. Join us, we are waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see EGLD, USDT and EGLD Bitcoin chart. Okay, so we are going to start with what EGLD did. It just went up almost 56% in just one day, and let's see the 4-hour frame. It just went from this candlestick right here, from this bottom to this 48% higher. So of course we would have a huge sell pressure. Many people got trapped in there, but the whole point here is, can we approach the 270 again for EGLD? I will tell you something that I really like. First of all, let's see the risk metrics. Right now, as for the risk metrics, we have a bearish RSI divergence, right? With this pump up right here, and of course we formed the bearish RSI divergence. We might be going further down for now. If we lose especially this support line right here, we can drop down more with the RSI, and therefore the price will be having more of a correction. Here you can see the commodity channel index in an overbought as well. Only the stochastic RSI is having a little bit of an oversold situation right here. I mean that it is near the bottom line. So yes, we could say that we have an oversold situation with the stochastic RSI, but anyway, all the other risk metrics are not agreeing. I will tell you though exactly what I think about it right after we see EGLD against Bitcoin chart. At the same time, the Fisher transform is near a neutral position. Let's go to EGLD against Bitcoin chart. The same happened, huge sell pressure, it had a crazy pump, and now we want to see the next price targets. What should we expect from EGLD against Bitcoin chart? First of all, let's draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom up to this top right here. And you can see that we went a little bit below the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, found sell pressure at the 0.5, the 50%, which we usually see, okay, after an altcoin retraces back, it goes to 0.5 and then retraces again. So right now, it is the most likely scenario that we are going to fall down a little bit more. Okay, at the end of the day, though, we are holding the 50-day exponential moving average now. According to the commodity channel index, we have on the daily frame a very huge risk right here. You can see that the RSI is not having a huge risk. However, you can see after a few days, or maybe tomorrow, we will see about that, though I'm not talking big right here, to just get above the 70, okay? So after correction, just get above the 70 and go again towards this target right here. And let's go back to EGLD against USDT because I want to stay here more. And what do we see here is that we had a pump up, we had an impulse wave on the 4-hour frame, then immediately a huge buying pressure towards the 270, and then we had a huge sell pressure for EGLD. So what happens right now, and what is the case, and what does this price action mean? First of all, when we have this price action with a huge sell pressure, it is not a pump and dump coin. Okay, EGLD is not a pump and dump coin. First of all. Secondly, when we have this on a non-pump and dump coin, like for example, this could be like IOTX and so on. So we have like a pin target. And what does that mean here? This target will be re-achieved for EGLD, that's certain. And most bulls right there know that. This is like a pin target with a huge sell pressure that, you know what, we are going there again. So do not worry about if you are trapped right there with the EGLD, we are going there. The problem here is when. Okay, so you know that we are going up there. When are we going up there? When can we eventually go all the way upwards? First of all, if we keep finding rejection on the 203 Tether USD, then the most probable scenario is to go down into the 173, okay, down to this line, and eventually further down. We have two strong support levels, 175 and 165, around there, to 66. So if we keep finding sell pressure, then be certain that EGLD will be going for the short term down. Secondly, though, as we are going down here, we might be building up the confidence, and especially at the 162 maybe, to get back up on our feet and eventually go even higher than the 270, around 219, which we might find the correction. But usually these upper shadows from a candlestick tend to get filled, and not only the lower shadows, because we have seen before. Okay, I'm going to take you back into for December. We saw this break huge actually correction with EGLD, but at the end of the day you can see that this long shadow, lower shadow got filled. Okay, so we stand here and then potentially we had a huge buying pressure. So right now even the upper shadows tend to get filled if it is not, as I repeat, a pump and dump coin. If it is a pump and dump coin, we usually see that a lot in the candlestick pattern and we do not care, okay? But this could work as a pin target, so the Feds know that you can approach this area again, you can buy in GLD once it corrects a little bit, once it calms down from this pump, and therefore you will be getting there. Just buy it, okay? So this is what is happening with EGLD USDT. EGLD against Bitcoin chart right now, find buying pressure on the 50-day exponential moving average, and right now you can see that we are in the middle right here on a red day. Okay, so we are going to see a little bit more of a correction probably if Bitcoin goes down and goes down to 41.4k, then for sure EGLD is going to meet these targets right here. But at the end of the day, be certain that at some point we are going up to 270. If you want the daily update, you can write in the comment sections, and of course you can join our monthly subscription. You can cancel anytime you like, do not worry about that, but try it out. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.